All right, guys. So we're putting the project over on the shelf that we're building over that way on hold for. It's like I said, we're going to be intertwining these projects. So if you watch that little short, it explains that we have things go on, so they're getting intertwined. So what I'm going to do for now, since I don't have a helper to hold some stuff up for me while I make marks and cuts, we're going to clean up the doors a little bit, get rid of some of the extra plastic bits and bobs, and just primer coat these. So yeah, we're gonna get to it with this, and then we'll go from there. An idea. I don't know if this will work or not. It worked in the other Jeep, but I can't guarantee it. Oh, good job, good job. Huh, nailed it. Huh, beautiful. Okay. I gotta preserve something so it doesn't disappear. So we need painter's tape. It might not be necessary, but I like doing it. I like making sure that I still can have the little plate there to say what year the vehicle is, all that stuff. It just, to me, it's kind of nice. It helps with, it just helps with, history and also getting parts. Because I'm pretty sure the gentleman that had this before me, the under the hood up there is the core support, and it actually has a different year on it. Because this is actually a '98, and that has a different year on it for. He had to replace that probably from the rollover this thing had. So I'd assume that since he had to do that, he chose whatever worked, and the year's different. So yeah, that's where we're at now. So we're just gonna go ahead and paint around that, so we don't have to worry about getting that all messed up. Where did I put the paint can? Oh, yep, that's par for the course. We'll get the underside of the door then. Just gotta focus on what I got going on here for now. Oh! Would be smart to move the vacuum that's behind me that I just caught. Trying to stand up. Yeah, that'll do. One door down fully. I should have did those doors over there. I'll probably do them still. I gotta be very careful I don't hit the already painted bronze on that side. So yeah, that's make sure I don't mess that up. But it's definitely a progress, that's for sure. Actually, I wanted to try something since we're doing the paint there. Just let that do its thing. While that's doing its thing, let's try something. Oh, I can move this stuff out of the way. This is can just move here for now. I don't know what that's for. We'll put it over here in the box. What's that? Oh, that can go in the metal saving bin. So I need 19. On the gun. All right, so should be 19. Yep. Let's see if those tires that are for an XJ, if I remember correctly, they should fit, or the rims, wheels, should fit because they are the same bolt pattern. I don't know about the rest of that, if they're the same in terms of offset and backspacing. So I gotta see if that and some other stuff too, see if they clear the rim and all that. Or clear the caliper. I'll be keeping these wheels and putting new tires on it here at some point, but for now, they're just gonna move. Wow, that just kept its shape. Perfect, you can just kind of chill over here. Just move that stuff for now. Just put that down there. All right, let's see if these tires have the same clearance that those tires do, or do they hit? Oh, I have to go up near more. Stay put. And I'll probably be getting these same tires. I just go online and pick up a, I think these are called Forciums. Not sponsored or anything by them, just I pick them up because they are cheap and I mean, they're probably gonna get destroyed and chipped away at, and there's already chips in them and stuff like that. So try to do as much as you can to, I'm not really worried about tires more so. I'll put more money into the safety gear that I wear than I will the Whoa, that sparked. That was interesting. It clears. Still clears. All right, so we'll put this down now. There we go. Cool. Oh, handle didn't stay. So the front clears. Let me just make sure they fit on the back, since I have this oddball tire size back here that doesn't need to be on there. All right, we're just gonna take this guy to the back for now. And then we got some more cleaning to do, as far as, I'm gonna sweep up a little bit too. Now that I moved this stuff, and I still have a ton of freaking dust everywhere from sanding, because yeah, it didn't really cover anything. That's my bad. So yeah, we're gonna swing this around to the back, and we're gonna see if by some chance there's clearance back here too for these. And I'm gonna hit everything that I just put there. That's also par for the course. And I just want to get under here. You know, when I got this thing, he just kind of, he took the rims he wanted to keep. He's big on those honeycomb wheels? Those wire mesh ones you can get for, they're like older. So. My assumption is this will clear back here too. Well, way more than the front. And I know, I have to wash it. That is something that does need done. No, it actually feels a little better as far as sliding right on. Heck yeah. Cool. We got not a nicer set per se, but just well, at least I can see my clearances too with these tires. Perfect. Now she's on even set of tires. There we go. Even set of tires. Not slouched over with that. I know they're just Steely styles, but they're what came with the Jeep that I currently run came with those on it. The Jeep that I have here came with that style right there. Obviously, it's not from the front, but for the reference, that style. And then this Jeep came with the other style that you just saw. So I just kind of use whatever right now. But that's kind of cool that they fit, so I don't have to really hunt too far for spares. That's a good thing. I don't want to really do that. Cool. Okay, that's good. I don't mind it sitting up on that like that for now, because it's going to be easier to work on this rust hole that I still have not done that's down there. That's it's cut out. I just haven't done it yet. Cool. Made some progress, not a whole bunch. And then I gotta wash it. Should have did that before painting, but yeah, you know. Things don't always work the way you don't sometimes you just don't think about it. Should have, didn't have. Cool. And then I do have to get a seat. I still have to do the seat, harness, all that stuff. So I still have to order those things actually. I still have to order tires so I can put on those rims and have those rims have tires on it. And then yeah, it's coming together. Slowly but surely.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping in, checking out the video and whatnot. I really appreciate it, being able to share my passions and hobbies, and then, even everything else that we're doing in the garage. It's just a real treat, and I enjoy doing it. We we run these things usually at monster truck shows, so when they put us in pit party, I get to share and talk about my passion basically, and something I enjoy doing with the fans that come in that show, and it's really fun to do. It's really fun to have that interaction and talk shop and stuff like that. And it's so much fun. So it's really cool to do that. So that with that said, if you guys have any questions, any curiosities, anything that's you're thinking about, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will do my best to answer. And yeah, with that said, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have a better one tomorrow, and I'll see you when I see you.